Code Coach, we're doing a meter release, which you see right here is exactly what we're looking for. This is not going to work. You have a damage to your conductor right here. And once you see the jacket where it's damaged, that little damage will create a major fault, major fire. So again, when you're looking at these conductors to do a meter release, you want to see every one of these clean. You don't want to see any scratches, dings, nicks. They do have their grounding conductor landed good. I want you to see where they actually have it in rigid conduit. That's something you don't see a lot. You're actually supposed to protect this grounding conductor. Another thing they did well, you see here, they have a connector that's actually scraping the paint and it's going down inverse, because there's two directions on these. They either make a standard one that has grooves on both sides, or this one is inverted, and it's actually inverted the proper way to actually grab the cabinet. This is not metal conduit, so it doesn't particularly matter, but that is the right way to do that. But this is going to be a problem. The way their conductor has a nick in it, this is not okay. They're going to have to re-pull this wire.